Hi, I am Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. Here the topic is error in measurement in the subject of measurement and instrumentation. In this video, we are going to see about a brief explanation about an error which is caused in a measurement by various causes, depends upon the instruments. Dynamic characteristics of an instrument. Okay, the types of error. No matter how carefully the measurements are taken, no matter how accurate the instruments that are used, some error will be always present. Some of the types of errors are cross error, systematic error, random error. There are three types of error. First one is a cross error, second one is systematic error, and the third one is random error. These are the most common types of error. Gross error. Human mistakes is in reading or using instruments and in recording and calculating measured value. That are the main causes of a gross error. Another one is a complete elimination is not possible. A gross error may always present. A complete elimination is not possible. How to reduce gross error? There are two types. Greater care required, multiple reading by multiple experiment. So that the care is taken only by the human observer. Systematic error. Systematic errors are instrumental error, inherent shortcoming of instrument, misuse of instruments, loading effect. Second one is environmental error, observational error. Instrumental error, inherent shortcoming because of mechanical structure of instruments. Another one is due to construction or operation, read too low or too high values. It will be too low value or it will be too high values can be measured or readed by the observer. For example, instrumental error which is caused by a spring in permanent magnet instruments. Instrumental error, misuse of instrument. Misuse of instrument is due to the fault of the operator, which is human error and observer. Good instrument used in unintelligent way. We have to use the instrument in an intelligent way to avoid instrumental error. If in case of any unintelligent way you are handling the instrument, means that it's result in a good instrument. Used in an unintelligent way leads to an instrumental error. For example, failure to adjust the zero. We have to consider that ammeter or voltmeter will be started in the zero but not in the middle of the reading. So failure to adjust in zero is the main cause of an instrumental error. Next one is poor initial adjustment. That is also an zero failure adjustment error. Using leads of too high resistance. Instrumental error or loading error. Example, a well calibrated voltmeter may give a misleading voltage reading when connected across a high resistance circuit. When connected in a low resistance circuit, may give a more dependable reading. Alters the actual circuit's conditions by measurement process. These are the loading effects in the instrumental error. Environmental error. Environmental errors are due to the effect of temperature, humidity, dust, vibration, and also by the external magnetic or electrostatic field. Instrumental error can be overcome by the following steps: shielding, temperature controlled enclosure, shielding the instruments, applying computed corrections. These are the overcoming methods of an environmental errors. Third one is observational error. Due to the effect of observer's physical response, plane of pointer and scale, parallax error, observation by the observer. This observational error can be overcome by using digital displays. Due to the effect of an observational error, using digital displays can be a remedy for overcoming this observational error. Random error. Random error, a rounding error, periodic error, limiting error. There are the three types of random errors. First one is rounding, and second one is periodic, and third one is limiting error. A rounding error is defined as occurs when reading is rounded up or down to the nearest value. For example, 5.12 is considered as 5 or 6, that maybe causes due some error in the measurement. Periodic error, when analog meters swings or fluctuates, it's mainly caused due to fluctuation in the instrument. Limiting error, percentage error and relative limiting error. There are two types of limiting errors. Limiting error, that is defined as accuracy multiplication of full scale value. On the other hand, the percentage error of the actual meter reading is computed form. Percentage error, that's equal to maximum error divided by scale reading into 100 percentage. Actual value of the quantity A is equal to nominal value plus or minus limiting area. Relative fractional limiting error is defined as the ratio of the limiting error to the nominal magnitude of the quantity. Relative error is defined as actual value minus nominal value divided by nominal value. Errors in human life.